guys, welcome welcome back to the channel. jdevinci here with another exciting Skims unboxing and review of her new cotton rib collection. I'm actually filming this a few days prior to the release, but I was able to get my hands on some of the new pieces. So if you guys are interested, do be sure to shop the links below. They help me continue to make these Skims videos. But you guys, I am pleasantly surprised with everything from this collection. I'm gonna talk to you guys about the different sizing because I did decide to opt down when it comes to sizing. Because if you guys are new to my channel, I typically go like medium large in Skims. I'm about a 30, normally like a 10-12. On days when I'm heavier, I'm a 12-14. So I decided to size down. Hope you guys enjoy. And literally, let's just hop straight into today's video.
Stop playing with him.
jdevinci and his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me and his bitch.
So before we get to some of the new items, I do want to go with some of the previous items that I do have. These are the leggings. They are actually in a size medium. The leggings just fit perfectly. I have on another Skims. I just kind of think that it's pretty fashionable. But if we throw our hair in the front, you don't see it at all. I absolutely love these pants. I think that the size medium fits me perfectly. So from here on out, when it comes to Skims leggings, cotton collection, any type of stretchy collection, I'm definitely a size medium. Some of the new items that I know that you guys are interested in, the romper. You guys, this romper, so cute. If you don't already follow me on TikTok, I've already teased on TikTok with this romper. This romper, you guys, I got it in a size medium. And I'm happy I got it in a size medium. When I was shopping the website on Nordstrom's, medium was the last size that they had. And granted, I am so happy to have got a medium. This is the shade Light Heather Gray. What I want to show you guys, because one of the homegirls was asking, is it thick like the Outdoor Basics drop one? And you guys know that Outdoor Basics has this little mesh only on the boob part. They have this mesh all over the outfit, literally all over. This is the inside. The mesh is all over, virtually making this so thick, but it's super short. Even if I would have gotten a size large, it would have been short. Let me just briefly try it on for you guys. She's giving cute. I'm happy that I got a size medium. I feel like the large around this area would have been too oversized for my preference, my liking. But you guys, you don't need any type of bra. It does have like a little panty line in there if you guys, you know, don't want to wear panties with this. This is so cute. Some people were like, oh, it reminds me of like a wrestler's wrestling outfit, and I don't think so. So in this, I say stay true to size. If you're typically a 8 to 10, go with the medium, the 8 to 10. If you're typically a 10-12, definitely go with the size large. I absolutely adore this outfit. Let me see, is it see-through? I think it's pretty thick and pretty high quality, and I am absolutely here for it. Before I hop into the other colors, I want to hop into this dress. First clip that you're gonna see is me in the size large, and I absolutely hate the size large because around this little arm area, it's kind of too big on me in a size large, and I thought that the large was gonna fit perfectly. So I was able to get my hands on a medium. The medium just fits beautifully. So I would definitely say size down with the dresses because the dresses give you a lot of stretch. Like even if you wore a size large, you can definitely fit into this. If you wore a size extra large, you can still definitely fit into it. So the dress provides a lot of stretch. I was like, asking my husband, should I have gotten a size small? He was like, no, you're good with the medium. But I'm just saying it has that much stretch. So this next clip you see me in, I'm going to be wearing a large, and then I'm gonna pop in and show you guys what this size medium fits like because the medium is what I like. So you guys, I'm currently wearing the new cotton rib slip dress in a size large, and I want you guys to know I should have sized down to a medium. I feel like the large, granted it fits around this little boobage area, it's a little on the bigger side. My husband agreed with me that I probably could have sized down to a medium, so I just want you guys to know that. So if you guys couldn't really tell the difference, the large around this little armpit area was just a little loose. I have on the cami bodysuit underneath. I just don't feel like taking it off. The large was just a little too loose here. The medium fits perfectly. I absolutely love it. I think that the dress provides like enough coverage in case you wanted to wear it out like to a family event. Do I see myself getting it in bone? No, because I feel like I'm gonna show you guys bone right now. Just briefly, this is what bone looks like. It's actually not white. It's more of like a creamy creamsicle kind of color. Super cute. And this is the onesie in a size medium. But when it comes to the dress, I feel like you can either pull it kind of down a bit so it can be more family friendly, or you can kind of shimmy it up a bit so it can be more clubby attire. But I can definitely see myself lounging in this, wearing this out, kind of styling it up because it is so cute. I'm going to try on the bone color bone color onesie. I got all the shades. I even got black. I'm gonna show it to you guys, but these onesies are really doing it for me. Like, they're just the easiest forms of outfits. Like, I can have this on, throw on a graphic tee, so I can have on some booty shorts. I could have this on, throw on like a flannel, a jean jacket, like really hypothetically speaking, anything. So if you guys are able to get your hands on this, 110% worth every dime you're gonna pay. You guys, this is the bone color romper, and I think it's gorgeous. Like, it's super short, yet it doesn't make me feel uncomfortable. Like, I would still wear this around the family. Like, I would wear this to my in-laws. I might throw something around my waist so like my butt isn't like so out there, but I love it. I absolutely love this outfit. Like, this is the one for me that was going viral on TikTok. I had on some scrunch socks, these Yeezys, and like a little bag. When I say easy outfit, easy outfit. I loved it so much that I got all 3 shades, so I had to get black. Black is just such a universal shade that you need in your collection. Like I said, I got all of these in a medium. I'm gonna briefly show you guys what this black one looks like with you guys. Like, if I can't stress it enough, I think that you guys need these rompers. They're very short though. It doesn't matter what size you get, they are short. But they are so cute, and it's giving me a lot of confidence. Like I said, I have been working on my stomach. Your girl has lost 10 pounds. So this summer, Kim Swim, I will be in it, and let's just speak it and manifest good vibes. You guys are gonna see me in a campaign, okay? Not even one of those story posts, but like on their page, campaigning, okay? So you guys, if you have a little more to hide, the black will definitely complement all body shapes really well. I absolutely love it. I know. So my husband was cracking up when I was like, babe, I'm about to get all the colors. He was like, do whatever makes you. I love how supportive he is, but I just wish that he would tell me, just get what you're gonna wear. Because I'm a Skims hoarder, okay? Like, recently I have been starting to wake up, take a shower, put on Skims. Because I would normally recycle the same Skims outfits, and I'm just like, oh no, like, I have all these clothes, I need to wear them, you know what I mean? Absolutely love these outfits. They are super comfortable, definitely comfortable enough to lounge in. I do feel like it's compressing me. I think it's the size that I got. I think that if I would have sized up to a large, I don't know if I would be so much in love with it, because I think that the large would be too loose around this end. Sometimes I do find that I gotta, like, you know, pull my boobs up so they're not so compressed down. Absolutely adore it. I feel like if you're gonna get any shade, like if you can get 2 shades, I think the black and the heather gray would be sufficient. Bone is super cute, and I love the way I styled the bone. Like, bone really was it for me. But do be sure to shop my Skims links below. They are affiliate links, and they help me continue to make these Skims videos that you guys so love. You guys tell me all the time that you guys love. Do keep tagging me on Instagram. Like, I'm like, you guys are showing love, because I love Skims, okay? Every time I see that they have a new drop, I get just as excited as you guys do, and I comment my excitement on Instagram, like, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. And people be commenting like, I can't wait to see your review. Your review helps me decide if I'm gonna buy. And I'm like, that's what I'm talking about. I just love you guys' support when it comes to Skims. And like 2 years ago, when I had first started like my Skims journey, I was not impressed. Like, I was just like, I could get something cheaper. Like, there has to be a cheaper alternative. And the more I wore it, the more I washed it, the more I saw how well it held up. I'm just like, ooh, I need to retract my statement on how bad I was talking about Skims, and I absolutely love Skims. My whole wardrobe, I have everything Skims. It's crazy. So I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and I'm actually going to be placing an order for those little crop top tank shirts because your girl needs it. Bye.
If another motherfucking bitch try me, they gon' have to find me. They gon' be on an IV. I'ma have them on the run like jdevinci.